Hi and welcome back guys. I hope all are you well. So today we will show you the daily cipher code, so stay connected with us. If you are coming for the first time on the channel, please like and subscribe. So the daily cipher code is dash dash dot G and A dot dash A and S dash dash dash. So this is gas. So today the code is gas and you can take the prize of 1 million. So if you are coming for the first time in the channel, please like and subscribe and must complete all the tasks and get a huge amount of rewards.